So you've decided to buy a used car. Smart move, right? You save money up front, avoid the massive depreciation of a new car, and might even score a great deal. But here's the harsh truth. One wrong move while buying a used car can leave you broke, stuck with endless repair bills, or even worse, paying for a car that isn't worth half of what you spent. Today, I'm exposing 13 costly mistakes that people make when buying a used car. Avoid these, and you'll save yourself thousands. Mistake number 1, skipping the vehicle history report. Never buy a car without checking its past. That clean-looking sedan might have been in 3 accidents, salvaged, or even stolen. So, services like Carfax or AutoCheck can really help out. They reveal accidents, title issues, odometer rollbacks, and even flood damage. Honestly, spending about $30 on a report can save you from losing $5,000 later on. Mistake number 2, ignoring a pre-purchase inspection. Dealers really don't like it when you bring a mechanic along, and honestly, that's exactly why you should. A quick inspection, even if it's just a simple one, can uncover hidden issues like leaking gaskets, worn-out brakes, or a transmission that's about to die. Spending $100 on an inspection is nothing compared to $3,000 in repairs. Mistake number 3, falling for shiny paint and clean interiors. A car can look brand new on the outside but be a total disaster under the hood. Shady sellers use cheap fixes, fresh paint, new seat covers, even engine shampoo to hide real problems. Don't be fooled by appearances. Mistake number 4, not checking for flood damage. Flood cars, oh boy, they are ticking time bombs. They might run just fine today, but give it a few months and you'll find electrical systems failing, rust spreading, and then, well, your car becomes pretty much worthless. Always, and I mean always, check under carpets, in the trunk, and beneath seats. Look out for mold, any damp smells, or rust on the wiring. Mistake number 5, forgetting to test every feature. Power windows, AC, infotainment, heated seats, yeah, you've got to test them all. Fixing electronic components costs way more than you think. That small button that doesn't work today can become a $1,000 repair tomorrow. Mistake number 6, trusting the odometer blindly. Odometer fraud is real. Cars are often rolled back to look newer. Cross-check mileage with the condition of pedals, seats, and steering wheels. If a car shows 50,000 miles but the seats are worn out, something's wrong. Mistake number 7, buying without a test drive. Skipping a test drive is kind of like marrying someone after just seeing their photo. Always drive the car on highways, city roads, and rough patches. Listen for any weird noises, feel how the steering responds, and check if the transmission shifts smoothly. Mistake number 8, ignoring the title and paperwork. If the car has a salvage, rebuilt, or flood title, just walk away unless you're totally ready for future headaches. Always confirm the VIN matches across documents and make sure there are no outstanding loans on it. Mistake number 9, rushing into a deal. Car dealers thrive on urgency, like this deal won't last or someone else is coming to buy it. Don't fall for it. There are thousands of used cars available. Take your time and don't let pressure make you choose wrong. Mistake number 10, forgetting insurance and running costs. So, that cheap sports car you found? Well, just wait until you see the insurance premium, fuel bills, and repair costs. It's not always as affordable as it looks at first glance. A car isn't just about the purchase price. Seriously, you've got to calculate long-term expenses before signing the deal. Otherwise, you might end up paying way more than you planned. Mistake number 11, not checking for recalls. Some used cars are sold without fixing safety recalls, like, faulty airbags or braking issues. That's something you really don't want to overlook. So just check the VIN online on NHTSA's recall database. It's totally free and honestly it could save your life. Mistake number 12, paying too much up front. Dealers, they often inflate prices for buyers who aren't really informed. Always, and I mean always, research the market value of the car on sites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or even local listings. If the price doesn't match reality, just walk away. Mistake number 13, skipping the negotiation. Here's the golden rule: never pay sticker price. Sellers expect negotiation, and honestly, even saving a few $100s is totally worth the effort. Just remember, be polite, be firm, and always know your budget. Buying a used car doesn't have to bankrupt you. If you can avoid these 13 mistakes, you'll not only save thousands, but you'll also get a car that lasts for years without draining your wallet. And remember, the smartest car buyers aren't the ones who rush for the cheapest deal. They're the ones who know exactly what traps to avoid. So which of these mistakes have you seen people make most often? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real